The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Are you feeling overwhelmed by financial jargon? Struggling to save for that dream vacation or just to make ends meet? Trust me, you're not alone. Millions are grappling with debt, unsure of how to invest, or simply lost in managing their finances. But what if there's a clear path to financial freedom? Today, we dive into The Barefoot Investor by Scott Pape, a book that promises not just advice, but a revolution in your financial life. So, have you ever felt stuck in an endless cycle of financial stress? Wondering if there's a better way to handle your money? What if I told you that a simple strategy would change your financial destiny, or that the secret to wealth isn't about earning more, but managing better? Stay tuned as we uncover the transformative concepts of the Barefoot Investor and how it can turn your financial woes into financial wins. Let's begin with the first groundbreaking idea from the book. The Barefoot Investor, written by Scott Pape. This book is one of the best finance books for beginners. Before we go any further, let's talk about the author, Scott Pape. He is an author, television presenter, and radio commentator focused on personal finance. He was known for the book The Barefoot Investor. This book, The Barefoot Investor, was originally published by John Whaley & Sons Australia Limited in the year 2016. Please watch the entire video. This can tell the difference between the people who are broke and people who have financial freedom. The link for the book is available in the description. Now let us deep dive into the book. This book talks about number 1. Start early. The book kicks off by saying it's never too early to start managing your money. It's like starting a game with a head start. The earlier you begin, the better. Being a money master means understanding how money works and making it work for you. Number 2. The Barefoot Steps. Pape introduces the concept of the Barefoot Steps, a simple plan to manage money. These steps include creating a safety net, getting rid of debt, and starting to invest. Number 3. The 3 S. Smile, strive, splash. Pape introduces the concept of the 3 S's. Smile, have fun with money. Strive, work hard to earn it. And splash, use it wisely. It's like a code for handling money responsibly. Number 4. 3 buckets system. Pape suggests dividing your money into 3 buckets: smile, splurge, and mojo. Smile is for day-to-day expenses. Splurge is for fun stuff. And mojo is your safety net in case things go wrong. This helps you keep track of where your money is going. Number 5. Pocket money powers. The book talks about giving yourself pocket money. This helps you learn to manage money from a young age. Number 6. The power of super goals. Set goals for what you want to achieve with your money. Whether it's savings for a cool gadget or helping others, having goals keeps you focused. Number 7. Create a money hat. Pape introduces the idea of creating a money hat. It is like having a fortress to protect your money. The money hat includes different accounts for different purposes, helping you organize and manage your money efficiently. It talks about protecting your money. This means understanding how banks work, choosing the right accounts, and keeping your money safe. Number 8. Be a super investor. Learn about investing. Pape explains that you can make your money work for you by investing in things like shares. It's a long-term strategy to become financially strong. He teaches you how to invest so your money can grow while you sleep. Number 9. The magic of compound interest. Pape introduces the concept of compound interest. It's like planting a money tree. The more you save, the more your money grows over time. Number 10. Insure your superhero cape. Just like superheroes have insurance to protect themselves, Pape talks about having insurance for unexpected events. This ensures that you and family are financially secure in case of emergencies. Number 11. Check-in. Pape advises regularly checking your money. This helps you to stay on top of your finances and make adjustments when needed. Number 12. 60-second budget. The book suggests a quick and easy budgeting technique. It's like looking at your money in 60 seconds to make sure everything is on track, quick and efficient. The link for this book is available in the description. Number 13. Get a job and earn. Pape talks about the importance of earning money. It's like gaining experience points in a game. The more you earn, the more opportunities you have to save and invest. Number 14. Superannuation. The book introduces the concept of superannuation. Pape suggests understanding how it works early on to set yourself up for a comfortable future. The book advises choosing the right superannuation fund. The right fund can make a big difference in the long run. Number 15. The power of saying no. Pape talks about the importance of saying no to unnecessary expenses. It is like being a superhero who knows when to resist temptations to stay focused on the mission. Number 16. Investing for the future. The book discusses investing, comparing it to planting seeds. Just like seeds grow into trees, investments grow over time and can lead to financial success. Number 17. Automatic saving. Pape suggests setting up automatic transfers to your different buckets. It is like putting your money on autopilot. It goes where it needs to go without you having to think about it every time. Number 8. Eliminate debt. Pape emphasizes the importance of getting rid of debt. It's like clearing obstacles in a video game. The faster you eliminate the debt, the smoother your financial journey becomes. He encourages you not to owe money unless absolutely necessary and how to deal with it if you do. Number 19. Emergency fund. The book talks about having an emergency fund and how to build it. It's like having a healthy potion in a game. It's there when you need it. This fund can help you handle unexpected expenses. Number 20. Stay educated. Pape encourages staying educated about money matters. It's like leveling up your skills. The more you know, the better you can navigate the financial world. Number 21. The 60-40-20 rule. Pape introduces a simple rule for managing your money. It is like a superhero formula. 60% of living expenses, 40% for splurging and savings, and 20% for your future investing. Number 22. Giving back. The book suggests giving back to the community. Giving back is a way to make the world a better place. Number 23. Teach others. As you learn about money, share your knowledge with friends and family. Number 24. The superpower of happiness. Pape talks about the ultimate goal, happiness. Money isn't just about numbers, it's about making your life better. Number 25. Create your superhero legacy. Pape encourages thinking about your legacy, what you leave behind. Being financially responsible allows you to create a positive impact for future generations. In summary, the Barefoot Investor is like your personal financial guide. It teaches you how to manage money, get rid of debt, investing for the future, and achieve financial freedom. Following the Barefoot Steps is like unlocking the secrets to becoming the master of your own financial destiny. The link for the book is available in the description.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and do share.